All right, I'm going to go for regular beef bacon first.
Keep that palate clean.
Yep. Here you go. Get you taken care of. Go for that same piece. Oh my goodness. I say that in every video, and you guys are like, wow, this guy puts on. No, it's first kick. Somebody didn't tell you. You'd think it was good pork bacon.
That first piece you gave me wasn't quite big enough.
They say beef is what's for dinner, but Buzz Cook says start your day a winner. I'm talking beef, bacon, thick, sliced, bold, so hearty, so good it's taking over. Yeah, pork bacon's
Hey everybody, you know those bearded butchers on YouTube? I used to watch them all the time. Actually, I still do watch them a lot. But about a year ago, I saw them do this beef bacon video, and I've been wanting to try it ever since. Well, I finally got my hands on some beef bacon, and we're cooking it up today to see what it's all about, if it's as good as they say. So, I got my skittle out, I got my griddle out, and we're just going to put the slices right on top of there and let this start to fry up. And it's going to take about 3 to 4 minutes per side. Actually cooks a lot faster than pork bacon. And the other thing I noticed, it doesn't shrink as much as pork bacon shrinks when you cook it. So we got one side, the other side, and once that's cooked, we're going to remove this and put it onto a plate with some paper towels to drain off the excess tallow. And speaking of tallow, all that delicious flavor there, I decided, you know what? Let's not waste it. Let's make a breakfast burrito. So we're going to get all this bacon off. And I've got 3 eggs that I'm going to put right into the middle of that griddle. And we'll scramble those eggs up. Just like that. And these will cook pretty fast. And once I get these eggs scrambled up, we'll hit them with a little bit of salt and a little bit of black pepper. Then I've got a flour tortilla. I'm going to put 2 strips of bacon into that flour tortilla with some cheddar cheese. And I'll slide these eggs in there. And we'll roll it up real nice and tight. And then we're going to grill that burrito right on top of this griddle as well until it gets everything nice and melty and gooey inside. And then it'll be time to have the taste test, see how this beef bacon really is. We'll do plain first, and then as a breakfast burrito. So while I'm doing that, if I could remind you to please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell to stay up to date on newest recipes. I put one out every Wednesday and every Sunday in the morning, 9 a.m. Pacific time out here in Las Vegas. Also, if you have the capability of hitting that hype button, that's something new on YouTube, please hit that as well and leave a comment if you can. I really appreciate it. So anyways, we're going to dive into this and see how it is. I loved it. I think you'll love it. Make some beef bacon. Everybody's going to enjoy it. It's like bacon on steroids. I mean, it's so hearty and delicious. It's insane. I don't think I'll go back to pork bacon for a while. Anyways, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.
They say beef is what's for dinner, but Buzz Cook says start your day a winner. I'm talking beef, bacon, thick, sliced, bold, so hearty, so good it's taking over. Yeah, pork bacon's getting old. Buzz Cooks is cooking